Hello and welcome to this class. Welcome guys, welcome guys, welcome guys. So let's try to reproduce out the isometric. You are seeing on the left hand side of the screen. So first task here is to draw out your ASICs as we usually say. So your ASICs, so I'll draw out a faint line and then a vertical line. So vertical line, then your 30 degree to the right, 30 degree to the left. This is what we refer to as isometric ASICs. Next task here is that I want to get my length, breadth and height. My entire length is 80. As you can see my arrow indicating. So I'll come here. I'll measure 80. So from here to here is 80. Right. Next task. My width is 25. My breadth or my width 25. Come here. So 25. My entire height is 44. As you can see, 14 plus 30, that gives you 44. So 44. Alright, to this point. So with these 3 points there, I'll get out a box as we usually do. So take this line up, take this line here, up, form a box with this. Observe what I'm doing. Come here. I'll take this to this. Similarly, take this way around. Then I'll close it up with this. Alright, I have this place. This is the box to which that figure is being got from. So let me zoom in so you can see what you are doing. Very well. Alright, we are here. First is first. The longest part, which is my length, was taken. So I'll taken it. I'll take in here to here. Right, done. Next task is that here to here is taken. So I have this. Right. Alright, let's proceed. So from here, this is done. Of course, there's a thickness of 14. Measure 14 upward. So this 14, I'll take in it. So I'll make sure I'll transfer the 14 this way to the next point here. Now taking it, it should be taken. Alright. So I'll come here. So I'll take this point down with the faint line first. Next task, I'll take this one here to inward with the faint line. Right? Such that there's a space of what, 25 here. Measure 25. 25 is from here to here. Now taking it. As you can see, it's taken. Right, so I'll take my stuff here. I'll close here to this part. Right, and then I'll close here to this part. this way. I have this. Next task is to take this to touch this here, right? Similarly, I'll come down here. I'll take it to touch this upper part here. This touch this, right? You can see what I'm doing, and then I'll close here up. So I have this, right? Similarly, I'll do the same here. First, here is 30, 30, measure 30, this 30, right? It's ticking. I'll thicken it. Then I'll take it this way. Then I'll close it up this way, right? As you can see what I'm doing. Next task there is to take the point, this line down, and then I'll close here up. Close here up with this. So I can close here down. Okay, so take this one here this way. So the figure is ready, but there are some circles there which I need to get. So 2 circles and a square shape somewhere around here. What do? We know clearly that here is 30, here is 30, here is 30. So get the center of 30. And we know that here to here is 25, 25, 25, 25. That's meaning. So I'll try to get half of 25. If I divide 25 by 2, I'll have 12.5. So take my meter rule and measure out 12.5 from here to here. 12.5, that's 1.2, then a little bit movement. Center here. The other one is 30, so 30. If I observe that the upper part here, everything is 30, 30, 30, 30, right? So the center of course should be 15, 15, 15, right? So that's what I'll use here. So we know that here to here is 30. Let's see 30, let's see 30, let's see this part is 25. So which I've measured 25. Okay, let's get 15. 15 is this, right? So I can just come here and draw it down this way, and also come this way around and then draw it down this way. The center is here. That center, I'll get a circle there. The circle there is 7 in radius, so measure 7. I'll measure out 7. It's my compass and my ruler. 7. 7 should be here. So I'll come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 is done. If 7 is done, I'll take my set square and connect them this way. Connect here this way. Come here. Connect here this way. Take it this way around. Connect here to this. I'll connect here to this. Right? When you are done, I'll join the longest diagonal together. So the longest diagonal this way. As you can see, I've joined my longest diagonal together. So my next task Okay, draw a V shape. So from here to here and here to here is my V shape. My compass, come here, join this to this, come here, this to this. So next task, come here, join this point here, take it this to this, right? Finally, so I took from here down this way. Finally, I'll come here and join the point this way. So I've drawn out that circle, right? So next task, another circle is here. So I just need to get the center. How do I do that? So how do I get the center? It's easy as so to get the center is easy as said. In this case here is 25. So get 12.5. Center is here. Also 25, get out 12.5. So I'll take these 2 points this way. Right? So here to here. So this is my center. So the radius of circle there is R7. So measure that same 7. So we said from here to here 7. Here to here was 7. So come here. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So with these 4 points, come here, draw a line this way, and draw a line this way, join this to that line, join this to this line. Said join the longest diagonal together. I'll join longest diagonal. They said draw a V shape. Here to here. Here to here. So take a compass and get out the circles. Come here. Join this with this. And come here. I'll join this with this. I'll come here, connect here to here. So I'll come here, I'll close them up. I'm coming, I want to close them up. So I'll come here, I'll close them up. Here to this point. So this is circles we have already constructed. So this is circle done and dusted. Our next task now is to get the shape here. There's a kind of shape there. What do you do? So it's easy as I'll transfer points downwards. That is, I'll take this point here. I'll take this point here, take it down this way. We said from here to here is of course 30, center is 15. So come here to here is 30. So get 15 is here. So that 15 point, this point here 15. I'll take it down this way. Right? So they told us that the entire length of that shape there is 18. So we know that 9 plus 9 gives 18. So measure 9 to the left and right. So perhaps to make that work easier, use my compass. Measure 9 So mark 9 up, left, right, and finally mark it down this way. So with those points, I will take it down. So take here down, take here down, and then I'll take in this part to this. I'll take in this part to this. So I'll take here, I'll take in this part very well. Sorry. Now come here. Alright. This is the figure we have constructed, right? So I'll cover here to this point. Alright, so we are done with the construction. See you guys in our next class. Thanks for watching and welcome to Wise Link Academy.
Welcome guys, I just launched a course. The course will teach you how to start your own YouTube channel. If you're a teacher also trying to do what I'm doing, you can get this course. The course costs about just 10,000 naira. You can get a course and you start uploading your videos on YouTube. Or if you're a beginner trying to explore YouTube and you're having interest in learning how this YouTube of a thing works, you can do well to get this course. As you can see the banner of this course in the video, in the screen of the video, right? So do well to go and get the YouTube course so you can earn, learn, and also grow your platform. See you guys. If this interests you, do well to message me up or click on the link you see in the video description that says YouTube course. See you guys in next page.
Guys, I just launched some courses on my website. These courses include physics tutorial for year 1 student, WAEC/JAMB student, WAEC/JAMB classes for JAMB student, and also I have the organic chemistry for beginners. So these courses, you can get these courses on my website, as you can see displayed at the right hand side of the screen. I just launched a book called The Shortcut to Academic Success. In this book, I share a lot of experience on how I evaluated during my time in school. This method really helped me a lot. If you're interested in getting this book, simply chat me up through my WhatsApp number that is shown in the screen,